Understanding the phrase, make bail, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, make bail. This is a phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or in the news. And today, we're going to break it down, understand what it means, and learn how to use it in sentences. So, stay tuned and let's dive right into it. First things first, let's take a closer look at the phrase, make bail. The word, make, in English has many meanings, but in this context, it means to achieve or succeed in doing something. The word, bail, on the other hand, refers to the temporary release of someone accused of a crime, under the condition that they pay a sum of money which will be returned if they appear in court when required. Putting it together, make bail means that someone has succeeded in paying the required amount of money to be released from jail while they wait for their trial. Now that we know what the phrase means, let's talk about when and how it is used. Typically, make bail is used in legal and criminal justice contexts. For example, if someone is arrested and put in jail, they might have the option to pay bail in order to be released until their court date. Here's an example sentence. After being arrested for shoplifting, Emily was able to make bail and go home until her trial. In this sentence, make bail is used to describe Emily's action of paying the required money to leave jail until her court appearance. It's important to note that the ability to make bail is not available in all cases. For certain serious crimes, a judge might decide that a person is not eligible for bail, meaning they have to stay in jail until the trial. Additionally, the amount of bail can vary widely, and sometimes it might be so high that the person cannot afford to pay it. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, make bail. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of this phrase, especially in legal contexts. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every phrase you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. If you have any questions or need further explanations, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content. See you in the next video, and keep up the great work on your English learning journey.